Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, in this video, we're going to talk about big money bolos, items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and flip for a profit. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Come on over to my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. It is completely free, and we talk about all things reselling with a focus on items that you can flip for a big profit. So come join us. If you want to share a bolo, at the top of the group under the featured section, you can share your best monthly bolo, and I'll feature it in a video just like this. So the first item from the group is a Pokemon Advanced Game Boy games, untested, guys, untested. Are you seeing this price right here? What? From an estate sale. I know nothing about these, so I put them up for auction, paid $4 each. So investment was $16. Sold for $520 for these untested Game Boy games. Wow, I would like to know what each one of them sell for. Let's see, I can't really read what they are, but yeah, some of the Pokemons. So what I would suggest is go to eBay and search Game Boy Advance Pokemon high to low and see what some of the big money games are so you guys know what to look for when you're out in the wild. That is crazy. $520. And they knew nothing about it. Picked it up on a, you know what? It's Pokemon, it's Game Boy. I'm going to try it. That paid off. Woo! $16 into 520. Wow, that's great. Panasonic digital camera. Another thing I walk past all the time, digital cameras, anything I got to test. If I don't know how to test it, I really don't pick it up. But maybe I need to start because you guys keep bringing these cameras and showing me that they go for crazy money. Found this at the bottom of an estate sale box on Memorial Day. Paid $30 for the whole box. Camera sold for $470. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. All right, you ready for the next one? Patricia Nash travel leather luggage, carry-on luggage. Picker Money Flipper on eBay and YouTube. Follow them on YouTube. They are big money bolo finders. Paid $20 for this and sold it for $200. Picker Money Flipper right there. Patricia Nash bolo. The next item is it's a lightsaber. It's a lightsaber. Yeah, I knew that. Picker Money Flipper on eBay and YouTube. Paid $40 at a yard sale for this lightsaber, and it sold for $349.95. What on earth? Galaxy's Edge, Savvy's Workshop. I probably would have walked right past that. How about you guys? Let me know in the chat. You know what? I want to, that is interesting. I mean, is it a toy? I mean, it's obviously not real, but look. Wow. Levi Strauss whiskey drinking glasses from the 80s. Wow. 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 I'm in shock right now. Look at that, guys. $350. Paid $1 at a yard sale for these. Accepted an offer of $350 plus shipping. Picker Money Flipper did it again. You guys, go check them out on YouTube if you want to see more like that. So this one, I couldn't pull it up, but it's Mackenzie Childs Quarterly Check Placemats. Anything Mackenzie Childs, look it up. A lot of it's a bolo. While on a quick getaway, found these Mackenzie Child placemats set at a return store for $7. Took a best offer of $80. Sold in 2 days. And for some reason it does this. I apologize. I don't know what's going on. This is not big money, but these are another thing that you see all the time at thrift stores, garage sales. People are selling their old vintage Fisher Price Little People. This is a horse from the Western Town Castle, and it is Hong Kong horse. Check it out. Goodwill outlet. Cost was approximately 14 cents. Listed in February and sold the first week of May for $19.99 plus shipping. I know it's not a huge bolo. However, the return on investment is great. I am the Lost Closet on eBay and YouTube. Thanks for letting me share my bolo. Thank you for sharing your bolo. And yeah, great photos. Somebody said she had great photos. Absolutely. Yep. So if you use like a background remover like photo room, this you can choose colors. So that's what she did here probably. I'm not sure which app she uses, but background remover probably on that. All right. San Shi, 5 Nights at Freddy's limited edition Fred Bear plush. Found this guy digging through a pile of plush at the local reuse store. Paid $3, fill a bag, so I had pennies into him. Sold him on best offer for $250. To say I was happy is an understatement. These are the kind of bolos that keep me hunting. Absolutely. You know, when you hit those big money ones, you're like, yes, I love my job. I love it. I love it. All right. Banana Republic utility denim shirt. This is from Piece of Scrap. She's on YouTube as well. Give her a follow over there. She paid $4 for this at a thrift store and it sold on eBay for $62 within days of listing. She does a lot of clothing. So definitely if you're into clothing and you want to learn more, she has a great channel for sharing her bolos. This one is Disney Little Mermaid 2 Vintage Return to the Sea Undertow Plush. Are you kidding me? 99 cents blockbuster price. It was originally $3.99. How many of you would have tossed this back into the bin and said, that probably has no value? She said, just sold this. I'll ship it out tomorrow. I had it listed for 74, took an offer of 50. It was from the neighborhood yard sale. All the old stock vintage items, it was less than $5 for $1 items. A Disney Little Mermaid 2 vintage Return to the Sea undertow plush with tag. eBay store is Jolly's Treasure Emporium. $50 on that, guys. Crazy, right? Here's another one. This one's awesome. I love selling jewelry on Whatnot. And this is something that I would have in my animal show. I do all animal jewelry shows over on Whatnot. It's one of my favorite shows to have because I just love selling the little animals. But you can find me Bolo Buddies on Whatnot. You can use my referral link down below to get $15 to shop if you join with that. So I hope to see you guys at a show. Usually start my items at $5 or less. And it's a lot of fun. This is a Doreen Ryan gold tone leopard jaguar cheetah belt buckle from 1994. She said, I love this belt. I wanted to keep this one. And the other one I sold kind of like it, but I bought it for $3 in Mississippi when her and her mom went on a little thrifting trip. It's a Doreen Ryan gold tone leopard cheetah belt buckle, vintage from 1994, listed for $83 and sold on an offer of $65. It was promoted listing by eBay. Jolly's Treasure Emporium. Very cool. This is an Alias DVD set complete with the box and the book. Bought this at a thrift store for $5 and sold it for $58. And Jolly's Treasure Emporium. She changed her name, so I keep saying her old name. Shiny Bright Miniature Vintage Christmas Glass Ball Ornaments, 24. Bought these vintage miniature. Oh my goodness, they're teeny tiny. Look how cute. Shiny Bright glass ornaments in a box at an estate sale for $2. Listed for $54, sold for $45 overnight. Had a little wear, showed everything best I could. eBay, Jolly's Treasure Emporium. Shiny Bright, yeah. Okay, this one's mine, guys. It is a Polar Puff plush. Is that not the cutest thing ever? I got it at the Goodwill bin, so had less than $1 in this probably. Sold it for $55.25. It did take a little while to sell, but definitely a cool little plush bolo for you. This one is the Fisher-Price Think and Learn. I've talked about this over and over. I sell these all the time. They're a nice little bolo. They're heavy, little. I usually segment them to ship, so they're not all together. But you can part these out and sell each piece individually, or you can sell it as one big thing. You can also sell just this part. Look up comps, see what works best for you. I sold mine this way for $44.20, and I got it at the Goodwill bins. It is heavier, so probably had $5 or $6 in this. This one here is a vintage hard plastic yellow reindeer. It is a kitschy decor toy. Sold it for $59 on best offer, and I got it at a garage sale for $5. The buyer was all in for $69.49. I love finding these old vintage plastic toys. They are definitely a cool item to buy and sell. Easy to list, easy to ship, easy to find in a sense that maybe not this exact one, but a lot of times people have their vintage decor at garage sales for cheap. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check out down below the description of the video. Those are things I use for my business, such as List Perfectly. Love it, love it, love it. So many new features. You guys, if you haven't checked out the new features on List Perfectly, check out some of my tutorials. You are going to be shocked and amazed at the things you can do now. So, you can use my referral link to join List Perfectly and also to upgrade to a plan you've never been on. That'll get you 30% off your first month or your upgrade to a plan you haven't been on. So check out those referral links down below. Those are things that I use for my business. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.